Hello everybody! So I'm Angie and I'm back with another video. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do like a natural, no makeup, glowy look. I do this look every single day. Well, not every day, but the days that I go out or like I go to school. I think it's cute. Oh, I forgot I had a go-kart. I look like a mess. Sorry. Not sorry. I'm a little kid at heart. Look at it, it's Olaf. Samantha?
I don't even know it's Samantha.
I'm not getting that close to the camera ever again. You can see all my imperfections. Hey guys, okay. So the first step that I do is I put on moisturizer. I use this one. I actually just bought this one. My mom just bought it and I'm like, okay, I'll use it too. I put it all over my face. Like moisturize, I put on primer, and that's just so my makeup stays. Right now I ran out of primer, so I'm going to use this primer, super small. It's a little travel size kit from Ulta. And another thing I do before putting on my actual makeup is I put on chapstick. Because you know, you can't have your lips being all crusty. Nice and moisturized. Okay, so now that I have my primer and I have my moisturizer on, I go ahead and I don't use foundation, I use BB cream. I just started using BB cream. I just feel like it makes my skin feel better and lighter, and I don't know, I just don't feel so like, you know what I mean? Maybe not, sure. Okay, this is the Glossier BB cream. So yeah, I put some dots on my face. And then instead of blending it with a brush, I blend it with my fingers. I just feel like it really gets all the product on there. Okay, so now once I'm done with the BB cream, as you can see, it's super light. It's not full coverage, but I feel like it's perfect for me. So if you do like more full coverage makeup, then I suggest foundation. But if not, then I think this is amazing. It makes your skin look super glowy and natural. So, okay. I don't even know, my legs were getting out. Okay, so after my BB cream, I like to do concealer, and I apply this under my eyes like this. Now I do a lot of concealer because my bags are really bad, and I have dark circles from the lack of sleep. Because I am a college student. But it's fine. I'm fine. Seriously. I literally have had like 3 mental breakdowns this week. I had an exam on Tuesday and I don't even want to talk about it. Okay. So yeah, I had an exam and oh my god, I don't even know what I'm saying right now. So yeah, I use the concealer to cover up any redness or things that I want to cover up. Yeah, why did I just do that? And then I put it under my eyebrows. got some more eyelashes actually. Okay, and now what I do is I blend it with my fingers, just like the foundation. I don't know, I do this because I just feel like, I don't know, I just feel like it blends better. Look good. I'm okay. So yeah, now you want to go in with your beauty blender. Blah, blah.
Beauty blender.
Okay, so after I do my concealer, I want to... What is wrong with me today? I am having such a bad day today. Okay, so after I do my concealer, I go in with powder. It's the Air... I'm trying to do this without getting the powder on. Okay, this one. So what I do is I put the powder on the lid and then I dab my beauty blender. And like this. Okay, so after I do my powder, I curl my lashes and this is when I start doing my mascara.
Why is the sun going away?
I just don't understand. This video is gonna have super weird lighting, but it's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna start curling my lashes. I'm always so scared when I curl my lashes because I was with my friend one day and when she was curling her eyelashes, she like took half of her eyelashes out. Look at that. Who is she? Okay, so after I curl my lashes, I put on mascara. And before I put on mascara, I put on the primer, and this is the primer I use if any of you guys were interested. Okay, and after I put on the primer, I put on mascara, and I use the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. I think I said it's fine like 10 times in this video, but it's fine. After I do my mascara, what I do, this is gonna be so weird. Oh my god, I have mascara. So after I do my mascara, I go like this. I put a finger on my eyelashes and I just hold it up. And I do this for about like 15 seconds probably until my eyelashes are like dry. Yep, so this is what they should look like. And then at the end when I'm done this eye, I always go ahead with a Q-tip and clean up the excess mascara. So after you're done your mascara, you want to go ahead and clean up with a Q-tip, toilet paper, whatever you feel. I'm using toilet paper and I wrapped it around my finger just because Q-tips are upstairs and I don't feel like getting them. Okay, so once you're done with your mascara and cleaning it up, you want to brush the powder off. Okay, now once you brush the powder off, you want to go ahead and do your bottom lashes. Because we're going for a more natural glowy look, I'm only going to put on one coat so that way my mascara doesn't look too heavy. Okay, so once you're done your mascara and you wipe your powder off, I do bronzer slash contour. So my dog bit my contour kit, so it looks very weird. This is what I use. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. You can't even see that it says Anastasia on it, but it's okay. So I open it and I go ahead and use these two colors. And then I wipe some of it off because I don't want it to be too dark. I don't know why it looks so bad on camera. Snatched, snatched, snatched. And after I do my contour, I always do my blush. I use the e.l.f. Cosmetics blush. Smile. So now when I smile, it's like little rosy cheeks. And after I do my blush and everything, I highlight using the Starlight Sparkle Face Palette Glow by Lancome. This is so pretty, I kid you not. My battery's gonna die. So after this, you're basically done. I like to brush my eyebrows. I don't fill them in because my eyebrows are already thick as it is, as you can see. And then after I brush them, I put some lip gloss on and I use the Ulta Juice Infused. This thing was all over TikTok a couple weeks ago and I just had to buy it and I love it. Now this is the final product of my no makeup slash natural glowy look. This is how I go to school every day. This is how I go run my errands. I think this is the perfect look. Renegade. I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. There's gonna be a lot of content and comments, suggestions that you have for me for future videos. I'm gonna try and do the best I can to post every single week, maybe even twice a week. I know I said I was gonna post every Tuesday and Thursday, but I feel with my schedule and to provide you guys the best quality videos, I'm gonna post every Friday and sometimes Sunday. Don't forget to stay safe and stay healthy and stay inside. Wash your hands. My camera keeps dying. Help limit the spread of corona. See you guys next time.